Hello friends, welcome back again to my channel. Today I will share with you how to create 3 RDB service without credit card, free of cost. Here I use Windows Server 2025 data center. So how can we get this? So please watch it till end without any skip. Before I start my video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for get latest video. I hope you are know how to create GitHub account. If you have no any idea how to create GitHub account, comment below, then I will create a video for how to create GitHub account. I hope you are already created account. This method work new account, also old account. So after login GitHub account, here you can see new, create a new repository. So I have created new repository using unique name. Here I give the name RDP1 and make sure repository should be private and create repository. After create this repository, click settings and go to secret and variables. Here I save my Tailscale auth key. Click action and create and click new repository secret. And here you can see secret name and secret key. So first use this key name and here use secret key. Now create first here login, sign in with GitHub account. After that here you can see I have already login with my GitHub account. So here you can see download option. First go to download and select your device. If you are using Windows, then select Windows. If you are using Mac, then select Mac. Download your Windows and install it. After install this software, open it, Tailscale, and login with same credential. I hope you are all understand. If any problem, please comment below. After that you go to setting option and here click keys and here you can see generate auth key. Click on this and here generate key. Not need to change anything. So here click on generate key. After that you can see our auth key is generated. Click copy this generate key and click done, and here paste the auth key and click on add secret. Go to the action section and here you can see set up a workflow yourself and click on this, and here you can see enter our code which will be built Windows Server 2025. So where we get this code, I will share a link with each comment or description and our Telegram channel. You can join there and get the code. So first here you type new tutorial and here you can see first page, first one, and go to this website, and here you can see free RDP without credit card post. Visit this article and scroll down. After scroll down, here you can see a script. Copy this script and paste it. So after paste the script and click here commit changes and click again commit change. You can see here again go to action section, and here you can see our action is RDP, and click on this, and here run workflow, click on it and click run workflow. After that click on RDP, and here you can see RDP is running, and here you can see secure RDP is already run 15 seconds. Click on it, and here you can see configure our RDP. Give the some time. You can see here RDP IP address and username password, and here you can see finally give the address, IP address, username and password. So after get this information, you need to connect RDP. From click on start button, and here you can search RDP. So here you can remote desktop connection and show more option, and here first you can see computer. Here type your IP address and username. Here I type my IP address and username, and now click on connect, and here asking password. So now copy the password and paste it password and click OK, and again click yes. So after you can see our RDP is running. Close this Tailscale window and do not close it. CMD, minimize it, and you can work anything. I hope you are all understood. If you are like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.